This is the Itel P55T. Unlike the P55 and P55 Plus, this device comes with a big 6000 mAh battery, which is just perfect for this country. To charge that big 6000 mAh battery, this device can power charge at 18 watts, and in the box it comes with an 18 watts fast charger, which is a win because a 10 minutes charge on this device would give you 3 hours of chatting time. That is actually impressive. To my great surprise, this device comes with Android 14. Not many Android phones are coming with Android 14 right now. This means you get the latest Android features and updates with this P55T. The P55T comes with 128 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM, which is 4 gigs plus an expandable 4 gig of RAM. And this device costs just 121,700 naira. On this model, we still have the iconic 3-camera design, with the main camera being a 50 megapixel camera. The other one is a flashlight, and on the front we have an 8 megapixel camera. It comes with a 6.6-inch screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, and it has the same chipset as the P55 and the P55 Plus, which is the UNISOC T606. And like I said earlier, games like Call of Duty and PUBG would work well on this device, just not at the max settings. So there you have it, the Itel P55T. I'll see you guys on the next review. Ciao guys.